Hello, all you lovely people. So, today, first of all, happy Independence Day to one and all. And I was on a little vacation with my sister. She came from the US, and we chose to go to Hemkund Sahib. That's the door creaking. I'll close it. And we came to this beautiful city of Uttarakhand. And we went to Badrinath, and then we went to various places and Hemkund Sahib. Tomorrow we have our flight, so we were returning, and this place is called Garud Ganga in district Chamoli. We were coming down from Joshimath, and we have to go to where is this? Dehradun. Thank you, Veer. And there's a massive landslide, and we got stuck. Yeah, I'll try to shift the camera to show you landslide is. So you see over there, that point where my finger is, I'll try to zoom in. That's the landslide, and it has covered the entire road. The city is beautiful, the place is beautiful. Jess, Veer, say hi.
Hello.
Yeah. And all the traffic is stopped. Yeah. Now we're a little worried also because tomorrow early morning we have our flight. It's going to take us 7 hours after we start. We haven't started yet. So I'm just wondering. I'm worried also. But at the same time, we saw a bunch of people who had come from Gujarat. Maybe they were also on a vacation or a trip or pilgrim. And they realized that 5 to 6 hours are not gone anywhere because of the landslide. So we have to sit here because the JCBL will come, it will clear, and then the path will be opened. And so there's a huge line. If your vehicles are all stalled. So we have rested in a hotel nearby, and we are sitting here. All vehicles are stalled. Nothing is moving because of that one thing over there. Here's the point. When we say, just say hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
और मेरा कहाँ रखा है अभी?
Andar. So when we say freedom from, when we say freedom, happy Independence Day. Not only is it a time to celebrate the freedom fighters who did what they did, and they sacrificed their lives so that we could enjoy our beautiful nation without anybody troubling us. It is also a time to reflect, what does freedom truly mean? To me, at this moment, Happy Independence Day signifies that I need to have freedom from anxiety, from any kind of worry, because things are not in my hand. We've all been stopped. Ambulances have been stopped. I know we have to reach the airport tomorrow morning at 10. We might reach our hotel by 2, maybe 3, maybe later. And we have no idea if we are going to have more landslides. No idea at all. But happy Independence Day to you, and happy Independence Day to me. Yeah? And I'm trying to now get independence from anxiety, fear, worries, things which are beyond my control. And this is how it gets connected to the word autism also. Happy Independence Day to all mothers and fathers who are worried what's going to happen to the kid, what's going to happen to the kid. It's a pretty similar situation. You don't know, time is ticking out, you don't know what's going to happen. Yeah? But the best we can do is what we do. Yeah? We give it our best. Yeah? Just like the best we can do right now is enjoy this beautiful nature, introspect, think how better can we manage our time and things. Yeah? Similarly with autism, you have to think how best can you manage the condition, what is it that the child needs to learn, all this while being happy with the situation. Yeah, there's still a lot to enjoy. Worst case scenario, if we can't make it to our flight, we're gonna call up our agent, travel agent, and tell him to postpone it to another day. So then we'll be moving on Sunday. Yeah, so there's going to be solution somehow, anyhow, somewhere. It cannot be indefinite. Yeah, you can see, you can hear noises, so this is totally natural. The people talking around me, and here's Rajni wishing you happy Independence Day to one and all. Yeah, from this beautiful place called Chamoli. One more time, so you can see the beautiful place. And I'm gonna meet you real soon in office and making more videos.